What if I told you there's a simple solution that could save you thousands of dollars in vet bills? Stay with me for just a minute. You know that feeling when a storm's rolling in and you're wondering if your animals have enough shelter? Yeah, we all been there. And it's that pit in your stomach that just won't go away. Look, we get it. You're doing everything you can to take care of your livestock, but sometimes the weather just doesn't cooperate. And when animals get sick or injured because they don't have proper protection, man, that's heartbreaking and expensive. That is exactly why we built this new Longhorn Run-in Shed, 12 by 36 feet with run-in bays on both sides and a tack room in the middle. Your animals get shelter, you get organized storage, problem solved. Picture this, next storm hits, and instead of worrying, you're just watching from your kitchen window knowing everyone's safe and sound. That's what peace of mind feels like. Best part, you can get started for just $728 a month. Give us a call, comment down below, send us a message, subscribe to the channel. We'll put more content out like this. And I'll see you in the next video.